Hello, I'm Krispijn van den Dries. I'm living in the Northeast Polder and I'm working on a social care farm here. I am a biodynamic farmer and we grow like 40 crops, like pumpkins, mixed carrots, different colors of carrots, parsnip, root parsley, etc. I like to grow organic because I'm more working with the soil and the living things in the earth and insects and etc. So it's a more environmental way of working. This is topiamboer. I'm going to deliver this by a local restaurant. They are very interested in these wonderful wild wonders which are grown locally.